I'm back, guys. I know it's been a while, but I have officially returned from the dead. Oh, God, Junior, I'm sick. Oh, no. How can I help you, Dad? Get me some medicine. I need to go rest on the bed. Dad, that's a couch, not a bed. Shut up, it's a couch for me. Go find me some medicine, okay? Okay. Ooh, a camera. Say cheese. Junior. Take a picture of me. That is disgusting. Why? Because my wiener was sticking out. Oh, well, I'll play a guitar for you then. Make my dad feel better. Make my... Junior, that was just bad. Okay, well, how about this will probably work. A water can? Well, that actually might work. Hang on, get it to my mouth, okay? Oh, my feels weird. Okay, this feels good. Yeah, I like it. Oh, yes. Keep feeding me more, Junior. Dad, you coughed right in my face. I'm sorry. You have to get the medicine. It's pills. Pills. How about this? Stop it! I could find me pills, not a useless box. Okay, time out. You don't call me stupid, okay? Junior, stop. You know what? You get a penalty. Actually, you're ejected. Dad! Junior, this is it. Bye. What? Dad? Dad! Wake up. No, wake up. Junior, you're not playing that. Yeah, you're awake. Dad, now I'm sick. Ah,